Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to check your password on Roblox. Actually, it's not possible to find your password from your Roblox account. So to do this, you can looking for your saved password. Okay, let's go to your phone setting. Scroll down and tap on Google. Now tap on your Google address. Tap on your manage your Google account. Now tap on your password manager. Now tap on your Roblox account. By doing this process, you can find your Roblox password. Thank you.